morning and welcome back to my channel. About 7 months ago, back in October of last year, I planted some elephant garlic. Um, I didn't know if I was supposed to put them through the stratification process, so I didn't. So not sure if I'm going to have a harvest or not today, but I'm going to go ahead and dig them up and see what we got, and thought I would bring you along. Okay, here are my elephant garlic. Um, the exact date that I planted was October 3rd, so exactly 7 months. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them up and see what we got. So it doesn't look like I have any big bulbs. Looks like I got a couple of pieces that I can use for seed this fall. But overall, not any big pieces of garlic, any big heads of garlic or anything like that. Um, I'm going to go ahead and let these dry out, and we'll see exactly what we have in in about 10 to 12 days. But right now, I can't say that I'm happy with what I got, but then again, I can't say that I'm upset as well. So we'll see. Okay, here are the garlic. Um, they're not big, which is disappointing to me, but at least it is something. On some of them, I have a little piece of garlic that looks like it can be a seed. So I'm gonna let these dry out for 10 to 14 days, and then I'm gonna trim them up and try to use them. They definitely do smell like garlic. One of the things that, perhaps the biggest thing that, biggest takeaway that I've learned from this is when I plant these again, I think I'm going to put them in the fridge for 30 days, maybe longer, before I plant them, to trick the seeds into thinking that stratification has occurred, and maybe that'll help me out more. But overall, what any harvest that you get is a successful harvest. That was something that was told to me, so that's where we're going to go. I want to thank you for coming along with me while I did my first ever harvest of garlic, elephant garlic. And overall, like I said, I can't be too upset about it. I did get something, which is good. If you got something out of the video, that's great. Give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this moment to consider doing so. Don't forget to hit the like bell and to leave me a comment. I'll reply, and you can also share my content. If you're interested in any of the seeds or items that I used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront, or you could head over to my website and get yourself some pretty good deals. Even in small spaces such as mine, remember, you can grow food successfully for yourself and your family. Always remember to stay strong, stay blessed, and above all, grow, grow, grow.